We all know that the Amazon is home to some of the most dangerous, scary, and deadliest creatures on this planet. The Amazon rainforest, or Amazonia, covers most of the Amazon basin of South America, which encompasses 7 million square kilometers. The Amazon rainforest is home to 3,000 species of fish, 2.5 million different types of insects, 400 species of amphibians, and 378 species of reptiles. Well, not all of these species are so cool. Today, we take a closer look at the 10 deadliest monsters of the Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into this. Number 10. Giant Otter. First of all, we have the longest member of the weasel family on our list. It is a globally successful group of predators that can reach up to 5.6 feet. Let me tell you that the giant otter is a social species. Although they are generally peaceful, these South American carnivorous mammals are territorial species, and aggression has been observed between groups. Back in the year 1999, the species was listed as endangered, and wild population estimates are typically below 5,000. Moreover, they usually eat fish such as catfish and shurikens. However, they may also eat snakes, small caimans, turtles, and crabs. Giant otters have no serious natural predators except humans, but it has to compete with other predators like a jaguar, crocodiles, and neotropical otter to secure food resources. Number 9. Electric Eel. This electric fish was classified as the only species in its genus until the year 2019. The shocking part about its name? Well, the electric eel isn't actually an eel. Instead, it is a knife fish. Let me tell you that electric eels are considered as a freshwater teleost that contains electrogenic tissue. You will find an electric eel on muddy bottoms in calm or stagnant waters. You might also want to note that they eat invertebrates. However, an adult electric eel might also consume fish and small mammals, including rats. They are known for their unusual breeding behavior. What happens is, a male electric eel will make a nest from his saliva in the dry season, and the female will lay her eggs into his nest. Up to 3,000 young electric eels hatch from the eggs in one nest. Animal collectors try to keep them as pets. Did you know that there is an electric eel named Miguel Watson at the Tennessee Aquarium in the US? The exhibit of this eel is wired to a small computer that sends out a pre-written tweet when the eel emits electricity at a high enough threshold. Number 8. Green Anaconda. Now we are talking about the largest living non-venomous snake in the world. Found in swamps, marshes, streams, and rivers of the Amazon, this scary snake can grow between 6 meters and 9 meters in length. Moreover, it can weigh up to 250 kilograms. They can be found most of the time totally submerged in rivers or marshes because these snakes are able to breathe. The nostrils and eyes are located at the top of their head. It is worth mentioning that this snake kills its prey by constriction. It will squeeze the prey until the prey stops breathing. It will then swallow the dead prey whole. Green anacondas usually eat fishes, turtles, crocodiles, and deer. And although they aren't man-eaters by nature, you should still be careful if you happen to be in the Amazon rainforest, because the large size and strength of this snake makes it dangerous to humans. Number 7. Poison dart frogs. Although these frogs are little and look beautiful because of their colors, these frogs are very toxic. In fact, the bright coloration is correlated with the toxicity of this species. They are found in the tropical forests of Brazil and Costa Rica. The poison secreted by a poison dart frog is due to their diet, which consists of termites and ants. The frog uses this poison as a defense against other animals. You might be shocked to know that a poison collected from the skin of a poison dart frog is enough to kill 10 humans. Number 6. Bull shark. Also known as the Zambezi shark, this type of shark is commonly found in warm, shallow waters along coasts and rivers. While this shark is known for its aggressive nature, these sharks can thrive in salt as well as fresh water and can also travel far up rivers. It is worth noting that bull sharks have a bite force that is greater as compared to any other cartilaginous fish. These sharks indeed have immensely powerful jaws, and they tend to live in highly populated areas. You might want to note that bull sharks, the great white shark, and the tiger shark are most likely to attack humans. They will eat anything they see, including fish, dolphins, and other sharks. And although they are huge, these sharks are quite fast predators. Bull sharks do not normally eat humans, but attack them if they see humans in their area. Unfortunately, they are also among the endangered species because humans hunt them for their skin, meat, and oils. Lastly, they can grow up to 11 feet in length and weigh up to 312 kilograms. Number 5. Red-bellied Piranha. I'm sure you've watched red piranha in movies. It is a species of piranha native to South America. Let me tell you that this fish is locally abundant in its freshwater habitat and feeds on insects, worms, fish, and crustaceans. And although red piranhas are not specifically a migratory species, they do travel to seek out conditions conducive to breeding. They have razor-sharp teeth and possess bite force that is 3 times their body weight. They will attack humans if there is blood around humans in the water. Number 4. Amazonian Giant Centipede. Found in the rainforest of South America and the Caribbean, this Amazonian giant centipede is the largest centipede species in the world. It can grow up to 12 inches in length and preys on a wide variety of animals such as reptiles, mammals, arthropods, and amphibians. Back in the year 2014, a 4-year-old kid died after being bitten by an Amazonian giant centipede. Number 3. Bullet Ants. You'll be shocked to know that this tiny ant has an extremely painful sting. In fact, Justin O. Schmidt, an American entomologist, states that the pain is like walking over flaming charcoal with 3 inches of nails embedded in your heel. On the other hand, some victims compared the pain to that of being shot. A bullet ant is a predator of Greta Otto, and they are usually nearly 1 inch long. Number 2. South American Rattlesnakes. Who isn't afraid of this venomous snake? The rattlesnake is a predator that lives in a wide array of habitats, and they hunt small animals like rodents and birds. Let me tell you that these snakes receive their name from the rattle located at the end of their tails. These venomous snakes can be up to 8 feet long. However, the average South American rattlesnake is between 1.6 and 6 feet long. They cannot tolerate extreme temperatures and hunt in the evening. They aren't aggressive, but deadly when provoked. Number 1. Jaguar. It is the only living member of the genus Panthera and is considered the 3rd largest cat in the world. Jaguars have a distinctively marked fur coat that features pale yellow colored fur. Their body length can be up to 6 feet 1 inch, and the powerful bite of this animal allows it to pierce the carapaces of turtles and tortoises. Jaguars employ an unusual method of killing. This massive cat will bite directly through the skull of mammalian prey between the ears, which is strong enough to blow the brain and kill the prey. They are threatened by habitat loss, habitat fragmentation, poaching for trade with their body parts, and killings by human and human-wildlife conflict situations. The IUCN Red List has listed jaguar as near threatened since the year 2002. The male can weigh up to 120 kilograms. Did you know that the name of this cat is derived from the word Jaguara? It is a word in one of the indigenous languages of Brazil for a wild, spotted cat that is bigger than wolves. By this point, you have most probably realized that humans are killing these beautiful animals, which will eventually harm our planet. This in turn contributes to land and water degradation, biodiversity loss, acid rain, deforestation, and coral reef degeneration. And that's all the deadliest monsters of the Amazon that we have for you today. Which animal would you choose to have as an exotic pet? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And before you go, If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to Weeklypedia and click that notification bell to be alerted whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.